Hi guys, how are you doing today? And today I can go into unbox my Hot Wheels Desert Thing. Let's unbox it. Guys, see this guys. I'm unboxing it. Wait a second guys. Guys, so they gave a car. You see this? Guys, they have given a track. See this guys, this is a track and a manual. Let's see the manual. See guys, this is the desert thing. So just guys, I have unboxed it. So let's read the manual. See this guys, they have given like this. So guys, I read it. So now I will show you how to fix this one. Let's see this guys. There are some gap. You have to insert like this. Guys, let's see this. Just guys, how to keep like this. This is it. Sting and just see this. This place is not good. I will go ground and let's test this. Guys, I'm fearing, so let's go there and test. So guys, I have set up it. This guys, I'm pressing the button here. So guys, I'll show the technical here. See this? They have given some like this and this. We're doing like this, the sound will come. It's going so far guys, so I have not slow motion. I will test it in 1/6. Guys, it is crashing so many times. So guys, I will try here. I will keep it still more white. I think so. I will give anything. So guys, I have kept here lock and key. You are seeing this? Let's do this. Guys, I'm pressing the button. Guys, see this. The lock is came out. What will happen to this? See guys. It's cool. We can try again. So guys, if you like the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, I will give a link in the description where I bought this. So guys, I bought it in Anantapur only. So just I will give you a link. Guys, at the last video I showed you unboxing. See this. They given the power, guys. Just I will take first power. Oh shit. Go something. I'll take one. So guys, I took one and let's release it. Go some slowly, and I will take 3 up to here. So guys, I took third power. Let's release it. Let's go some far, and guys, I took the fourth power. It's gone so far. Speedily it will go. So guys, it has used something. I took 2 powers, and let's release this. It went some only. See there, guys. So I'll bring it. So guys, I got the car here. First power. So guys, I take first power and release this. Do not power. I'll take it. Take it, guys.